Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. Today we're over here at Spirit Mountain at a great show we're having over here. I'm going to present to you this 3113 Newmar Bay Star. Come inside and we'll take a look around. Get started in the back here. This coach is a 3113, like I said. It has a king walk-around bed, outlets on each side of the bed with little nightstands. It has nice accent lighting across the top up here. Great wardrobe closets. Plenty of storage and drawers down below. Nice little pantry. Here's the bathroom, all included in one. Good sized shower here. Love the new colors for this year, the gray tones. This is a gas electric refrigerator, 3-burner gas cooktop, microwave convection oven, lots of nice storage here. You've got the double stainless steel sinks. Nice couch with the gray tones like I mentioned before. This floor is awesome for 2018 also. You've got the pull-out table with 4 chairs and lots of great storage here. Coming up to the cab area, this coach is on a Ford V10 chassis. Automatic levelers, everything you would need for a gas coach. This has a drop-down power bed as well. Has an outside TV. Nice storage compartments that the doors open to the side, which everybody is really wanting these days. You have an Onan 5500 watt generator in this coach. And a huge compartment in the back. This has a backup camera, 5,000-pound hitch. Does not come with a ladder. We can always add that if you would like to have one. This is your water shower bay drain for your black and gray tanks. This also has side cameras. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach that we have here at Guaranty, please give me a call at the number you see below or my cell number, 505-0292. Thank you.